Okay, I'm going to try this new app that I downloaded from my phone, which is like it's a in-car cam, if you like. Supposed to give you miles an hour and all the rest of it. And see if it works. Hoping that the microphone's picking me up clearly. I must admit the GPS is quite accurate so far, within a couple of miles an hour anyway. And the picture seems quite steady as well, to be fair. I don't know if it's got a built-in sort of digital steady cam on it or what, but so far so good. Colours seem quite accurate, and the brightness is about right, because what I'm seeing with my eyes is what is actually showing on the screen, so it's not exaggerated or anything, which is good. It's a very dull day today, I must admit. So there we go. Right. So far so good. 25 miles an hour. Yeah. accurate. And it's giving me my location. It's 48 Lower Church Street, Croydon, which is absolutely spot on. Well, very good, I'm impressed with that. Took me 5 minutes. Yeah, alright, I'm going to do a bit of shopping and then we'll film on the way back, see what it's like. Yeah, I'm impressed with that. Right, well, we're back. Okay. We'll trip back, see if it's as good going back. Hopefully. Now I'm hoping this is picking me up. It says it's stereo recording sound, and I've set it to 320 kilobytes per second, so it should be top-notch video, audio recording. So we'll see how that works, yeah. Definitely seems to be keeping up with the addresses of where I am. Pretty good. This has quite a wide angle, but you can zoom in. In the settings, it allows you to zoom in. Or you can set the zoom. What's going on there? Let's start reverse. Seems to be giving all the right information. So far, so good. Just hoping that you're picking up what I'm actually saying. The definition must be 1080p, quite impressive. Yeah, pretty good. Maybe could do with zooming in a little bit, because perhaps the wide angle might be a bit too much. I don't know, I have to give that a go. Excuse me, wow. That's a neat. As far as dull conditions are concerned, it seems to be working well. I think the next test will be to try it out at night, see what it's like at night. But this is being used on an A50 Samsung smartphone, so the camera on that is very good in low light, so I'll be interested to see what it looks like. See if it uses the camera's full capabilities. So yeah, I think that'll be more of a good test. Anyway, I think it's been pretty successful. Yeah, the image seems very natural, the colours are very natural, the exposure is not overexposed. As I say, I need to try it out at night, so I should probably do a follow-up video showing you what this actually looks like at night. But yeah, no, it seems to do exactly what it says on the box, and it's completely free. So I shall put a link down below this video in the App Store so you can download it. Okay, so for now, take it easy, keep safe. Goodbye.